consideration. Now, we know that the root Karak house is the third house from the house under focus. The house number of the root Karak house is used as a suffix for the divisional chart to be referred. We count the houses from the Lagna. Lagna house is treated as a house number 1. So, there are 12 houses. The house number in first round in the chart is used in the first ashram till the completion of his education, or up to 25 years till he starts earning. Same way, house number of same house in second round is used in second ashram, and so on. The division of Rashi is made as per the house number. For example, marriage is seen from 7th house and its root Karak house is 9th house. Hence, Naumansha chart, D9 chart, is referred to the divisional chart having 9 divisions of the Rashi, and 9th house is the root Karak. Hence, for finding the result of 7th house at micro level, we should use D9 chart. Observing the D9 chart or studying the D9 chart, we can see the inner energy of the marital happiness. So for marriage, we use Naumansha chart. In fact, Naumansha chart is having equal status as natal chart, and it is used for all the houses along with other divisional chart. If the Karak and root Karak are placed in good house in Naumansha chart, native will get happy married life. Means second lord of the natal chart and 9th lord of the natal chart is placed in any good house in Naumansha chart, we say that the native will have happy married life. This is first level. Again, the quality of the Karak and root Karak gets diminished if it is situated in 6th house of the Naumansha chart. In turn, it will hamper the quality of the marital life. Similarly, the lords of Naumansha, we call it as a Karkansha. Of the Karak and root Karak, if it is also situated or it is situated in 6th house of the Naumansha chart or the natal chart again, remapping in the natal chart, if it is situated in the 6th house of the natal chart, the quality of the marital happiness is said to be reduced. The divisional lord of any planet in any divisional chart is known as a Palansha of that planet. The Palansha of Karak and root Karak are differentiated by calling them as a Karkansha. A suffix can be used to identify the divisional chart for Falansha or Karkansha. We can use, suppose we are finding the Falansha from D9 chart, we will use the suffix 9, Falansha 9 or Karkansha 9. When a planet is a natural karak or functional karak for any house under consideration, the divisional lord is known as a natural or functional karkansha for that house. When a planet is natural or functional root karak for any house under focus, the divisional lord is known as a natural or functional root karkansha. In order to evaluate the result of any house, its karkansha and root karkansha have to be relocated, remapped in the natal chart. Karak in a natural chart are known as a natural karak. In short form, we can say it a NK. NK will denote the natural karak. And root karak can be as a natural root karak NRK. NRK, first words of the natural root karak. Now for easiness, we will use some suffix to these things. The karkansha shall be referred to the in short as denoted by the letter L and M. Means natural karkansha means divisional lord of the karak, natural karak, will be denoted by letter capital L, and natural root karkansha by capital letter M. The same thing I use in my book, L and M. For other chart with different ascendants, the natural prefix is changed to the functional. Hence, karak in other chart will be known as a functional karak and functional root karak. As a short form, we will denote functional karak as FK and functional root karak as FRK. Their functional karkansha are denoted by FL and FM respectively. Hence, for finding the quality quantum of the marital life of a chart, we must study the placement and the status of NK, NRK and their karkanshas L and M. Same way, FK, FRK and their karkanshas FL and FM. In addition, we will take the appropriate number as a suffix denoting the number of house under focus, or it will denote it by the root karak house So root karak house minus 2 will be the house under focus. Hence, marriage natural karak. Non-natural karak for the marriage is second lord. But it is a second lord NK. We can use the suffix 7. NK 7. And natural root karak as NRK 7. And for Karkansha, we will use the number of the divisional chart as a suffix to the notation. Hence, L9 will be the Karkansha of the natural karak in D9 chart. And M9 will be the natural root Karkansha for marriage. Similarly, FL9 will be used for the functional Karkansha for functional karak and FM9 for functional root Karkansha or for the functional root karak. When the sign is divided in 9 equal divisions, the chart constructed is known as the Navansha chart. The natural karak NK7 is a lord of natural second house. This we are denoting for marriage. The sign in the second house is suppose natural sign in the natural chart is Taurus. Hence, its lord is Venus. The natural root karak NRK9 is the ninth lord, which is Jupiter, the lord of Sagittarius. As I said, Falansha of a planet is the lord of Ansha in the respective divisional chart. Now here we are taking the example of marriage. Hence, for marriage, ninth lord is the root karak, hence Navansha chart or D9 chart is referred. Hence, Falansha of Venus in Navansha chart is known as a natural Karkansha for 7th house and will be denoted by L9. And Falansha of Jupiter, which is natural root Karkansha of 7th house, denoted by M9. Position of L9 and M9 in Navansha chart and also in natal chart must be studied. Same way, we must see the position and the status of the functional karak FK7 and functional root karak FRK7 and their FL7 and FM7. If these Karkansha lords are situated in 6th house of the Navansha chart or the natal chart, marital happiness will get disturbed. Result of the placement of these Karkanshas in different houses of the natal chart gives the complete idea, understanding about the reduced